everyone, welcome to Sandra Sensations. Thanks for joining me. I am going to be doing my thingamajig thrift store candy dish vase kind of thing. I'm not sure what it is, but I love using it for painting. So I'm going to be doing that on a 16 by 20 canvas. I've got white acrylic down, 50% Floetrol, 50% paint, a little bit of water just to thin it out for me. And like a little bit, we're talking a teaspoon or two, that's it. So that's what we're going to be doing. And what else do I want to tell you about? Oh yeah, the glitter. I added, excuse me, frog in my throat. I added some glitter additives to these colors right here. These guys here. It's a additive for paint. So the purple's got purple glitter, of course, called Sparkly Dust. And then the orange, the pink, and the yellow have the clear iridescent kind of sparkle to it. We'll see how it works. I've done one other painting. I don't think I put quite enough glitter in my mix. So this time I really was very generous. I'll try and show you a close-up of the yellow. I don't know if you'll be able to see the sparkle in that, but there's mega sparkle. So I'm going to be just pouring on this canvas and we'll see what transpires. I want to use up a lot of my colors that I had pre-mixed up in these little tubs. So most of them are going to be Arteza colors. This green here is actually leftover paint from one of my pours. I scraped it off my table, so it's like a mint green, but it's a mixture of colors. I couldn't tell you for sure what's in there because it's a mixture. Alrighty, I think I got everything covered. Yeah, let's do this. Let's have some fun. Now I think if you're new to my channel, please hit subscribe. Sorry, I always forget to, I say this all the time and I forgot to do it this time. I'm dropping the ball here. If you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button. It's really, really important to help artists grow their channels, and all of us are trying to do that. So if you by chance saw a video or two a couple of minutes ago that you didn't hit subscribe on their channel, please go back and hit subscribe for them as well. It's really important, and we thank you immensely. All the comments, all the thumbs up on all my regular viewers, you know how much I appreciate you. Every single thumbs up, every single comment, I read them all. I respond, and it makes my day. When I get home from work, I read them. On the weekends, I read them. So please keep them coming. Thank you very much, everyone. Okay, let's do this, and I'm going to get Greg to put some music on so I can just do my thing, play with some color, and let's see how this pour turns out. Thanks for joining me, everyone. Stick around.